What's good, YouTube? Alex Dubs back with another reaction video, and today we about to react to Damn Nature You're Scary by Arc Media. Respectfully, I'm a city boy. I'm not going out in nature, respectfully. Like, I'll probably go camping like once or twice. Someone gonna have to put me onto some good camping, like tools and things like that, because if I go into nature, I got to be strapped and I got to be protected, respectfully. But let's get right into this video. Respectfully, it's a short one.
Hey! Ooh! Hey!
Nope, off rip. Nope, like that's a bear right there. Like, that's a dog with claws that can climb.
Wow.
That's fire. That's fire. I would like to see that in person.
Ikke overraskende mer og mer utsolgt.
Look at this hammerhead. Ah! Got him! Oh, he's trying to eat the shark. Oh.
Ooh, why'd that catch me like that? No cap, no cap. That was wicked. Yeah.
Oh my god! Holy god!
That shark's slow.
They're very slippery.
Why are you antagonizing it? Is that a dolphin?
Tuna! Hey!
Yo, cheetahs are so quick. Y'all not beating the cheetah in a race. Speed, relax it. You're not beating no cheetah in a race, bro. That was a buck. This is a leopard. Or a lion. That's a lion. Woman lion? I don't know. Yo, elephants are smart. Yo, elephants are smart, bro. Woo!
What the hell? Whoa, that is... I never get this every day.
Is that a penguin?
Run, man.
Happy feet all over again.
That's moving great. Good point.
Oh, he caught him. Oh, that's great. Oh, he slipped out. Oh, he nice with it.
Oh, man. The funniest man in the country. It's unreal.
That was cheesy. What's going on here? What did the lion take? Ooh. You gotta get a honk, like a horn or something, bro. Something loud. Huh? That a bear with 3 legs?
There you go. You see what
Hold up. I'm not just gonna fly past that like that. Like, hold up. It's a bear with 3 legs, yo. Ah, survivor for real.
You see what I mean?
Tried to hit that guy.
Yo, animals are very territorial. I don't know why y'all people just be near them, bro. Like, oh, that's fire. If they make another Happy Feet movie, what y'all gonna watch it? Let me know in the chat.
To get the calcium.
I rate that as a 10 out of 10 kick right there.
There is a bear sleeping in our hammock. Oh, I woke him up. Hey.
Really, nigga?
Look at you, hey? Look at you.
God. Oh! Oh!
Yo. Yup, I'm done. I'm done.
Look at him. There he is. There he is. Oh my god. Oh my god.
That's where you gotta take out the. Aww.
This guy, I don't know what he is doing over there.
That's a moose, bro.
Careful.
That's about like 7 feet. Ooh. Is that a killer whale? Or is that an actual? What is that? That's a whole rhino? Yo, where? Someone put in the chat where that's happening at, because I'm not going over there. Respectfully, I'll visit, but I ain't trying to see no rhino in the. Nah. And if the rhino mad, it's over. Done. We have two big beasts.
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
Fighting for this territory tonight. Oh Lord, that's a polar bear. Bear versus tiger. Wow, that's different.
Got it.
Oh, they jumping him.
Come on.
Oh, ooh.
Can you keep this door open?
Yeah, need to stay away from these animals. The people that know what they're doing, do y'all thing, but other people, leave them alone. They pulled up with a whole squad deep.
Big boy.
Oh shit.
Okay.
Aww.
Is he sleeping?
Don't move, Daddy. Don't move.
I just shivered a little bit, like, no. Oh Lord. Oh, that cop got some hops. This looked like it came out of a Disney movie right here.
Oh, here he comes. Oh my god.
How did a bear get in the car, bro? Y'all gotta lock y'all cars, y'all. Like, I don't care.
Boy, no. Don't you do that. No. Stop
But
it.
bears are strong, so it's
Good
like,
boy.
Oh my gosh.
damn. Right out of the movie. Again, another bear in the car, bro. How, yo, can y'all close y'all cars? Lock them.
Yeah, see?
It's a feature. It's on the key, you know?
Hey, it adds.
Alter Maul. Ich habe Rente gestreichelt.
Sorry.
That lion said, get out the car. Get out the car. Get out the car. That's what that lion said. Hear it back. Hear it back real quick. Look.
Ich habe Rente gestreichelt.
Look. Get out the car. Look.
Sorry.
Scratching his name.
That's beautiful though.
on his
That is
thing.
beautiful. I can't
Like
cap.
that.
Just the scenery. Turtles are fighting. Thinking about it, if a turtle's versus another turtle, how would they win? Like, would one just get tired and just fall down to the bottom of the wherever they're at, the ocean, the lake? I don't. Put that in the comments. How do they die? Like, I know for snapping turtles a little different. I'm talking about regular turtles, the turtles that can't really do much damage to people. Like, put in the comments. But like, comment, subscribe if you enjoy the video, enjoy the reaction. Let me know if you want me to react to something else. Nothing too crazy though, depending if I make a Patreon and you feel me? Alright, but I'm gonna catch y'all. Like, there's wicked people out here, so protect yourselves, praise God, and listen to your parents. I'm gonna catch y'all.